Hello guys, I'm WenWen. Welcome to WenWen's Chinese Food Easy Home Cooking channel. So today I want to share with you guys how to cook a very classic Chinese dish called fried eggs and tomatoes. You must have heard of it before, or if you like to order Chinese food, you probably ordered something called Hai, which is sweet and sour eggs with like tomato sauce. That's actually come from this dish. It is a very classic and traditional dish in China. It's very easy to make. Actually, we just need 2 eggs and tomatoes. I'm in quarantine, so I only have canned tomatoes. If you have fresh one, it will be better. And a little bit spring onion. That's enough. So guys, how about let's cook it now?
First, we mix the 2 eggs. I just like to use chopsticks, that's Chinese way. And we add a little bit of salt. Prepare the spring onion into pieces. Also add a little bit in eggs. Yeah, now we're ready to cook. Put some oil in, and we need to wait for it 100% hot. That's the best time to put the egg in. You can hear it, guys. The eggs immediately cook by itself. You see, at the beginning, I don't stir it that much. Just let the not cooked part fan the hot oil and cooked by itself. And then we stir it a bit. We get them out in this state. Leave the eggs in a bowl, we use it later. Now we can put the tomatoes in the same pan. If you guys use fresh tomatoes, you can just use 2 middle-shaped ones. So what you do is just stir it until the tomato sauce is a little bit dry. Not dry, just a little bit. We need it to be a little bit licorice. Then we add some sugar, and we can put the eggs back in. Alright, we just need to mix them, stir them together. And the last step, add some salt in. Mix them well, then that's it. Beautiful color, huh? Natural sour, sweet, and a little bit salty. Just try it, guys. Super easy to make. I promise you will love it. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. See you guys in next video. Bye bye.